Everyone, thank you so much for joining me today. I'm going to be unboxing Rosella by Belle Tress in the color Brown Sugar Sweet Cream. Right now I'm wearing Chacarado by Belle Tress in the color Butterbeer Blonde. I absolutely love this piece, but that's a whole different video. As always, I purchased my Rosella from the clearance section at Wig Studio One. There was an overstock, so they were a great price. There were only a few of them, and I snagged one up. And I decided to unbox it for a couple of reasons. I have seen so many of the ladies talking about, the members on our Facebook group, talking about Rosella and saying it's some say it's too heavy. Some have mentioned that it's too much hair, or it has too much curl, or it doesn't have enough curl. And I thought, well, let's see what this one looks like. As we all know, even the same style can be different. There could be variance between one and the other. I am going to leave a video linked down below in the description box that my friend Taz from Taz's Wig Closet put up, and it talks about the different variances, the differences that there are in the wigs, whether it's color or it's style. She just touches on really important points, and it's something that I think that we all need to be aware of. Anyway, so let's see what my Rosella looks like. I also wanted to unbox it because I didn't want anyone to think that I got a special one, or that mine was beautiful because I work for Wig Studio One. I didn't want that. Mine is from the overstock, just like everybody else's. We're going to take a look at it together, and we're going to see what this bad girl is all about. It just arrived today. I had another video planned for you for today, but when this arrived, I thought, that's what I'm going to do. I just want to show you it is in the box, not touched, not taken out. Rosella has sides of 12 inches, and the back is 19 inches with the nape of 11 inches. These that were on the overstock were all brown sugar sweet cream, and that was perfect for me. As soon as I saw the announcement on the Facebook page, I ran and I got one because I love this color. I think this color is absolutely gorgeous. We have a light, medium, and dark brown. We have some pale blonde, and we have a little bit, I would say just like a hint of a caramel blonde in there, but it's very far and in between. And we have the beautiful lighter fibers in the front. If that's something that you like, I certainly like it. So to me, it's right up my alley. I'm going to give her a shake. I couldn't find the weight on it. It feels light. It feels no different than my Chacarado. I'm going to take Chacarado off. I'm going to put you on fast forward. I'm going to take it off, and I'm going to put Rosella on. All right, there's definitely some hair here, but it doesn't feel heavy to me. I don't feel any permatease. That doesn't mean there isn't any. That means that if there is some, it's very light. All right, so this is what it looks like right out of the box. Rosella has a left part, lace front. It's falling in my face a little bit. I think I'm going to get some water, and I'm going to spritz it because I want you to see what I do with Rosella. Definitely, it looks like a lot of hair, that's for sure. It doesn't bother me. I'm used to a lot of hair from my very own. But if you're not used to a lot of hair, you may say, well, maybe I need to thin it. My experience with that is to give it a few days and see if it settles down some. Sometimes the weight will just make it seem a little bit lighter after a little bit. Also, after you wear a wig for a while, you kind of start getting used to it. You may, if you're not used to wearing long hair or a heavy wig, you might try starting off with an updo, or starting with a half up, half down, even a ponytail or a low bun. Any one of those things will certainly help you get accustomed to the longer hair or a lot. Well, I'm going to tell you, I think it's really, really pretty. I like it. Just a little bit of water always helps some to kind of keep it, train it off your face. This is some John Renault holding spray. Just spray some on my hand, just to train it back for a little bit. If yours doesn't have as much curl as mine does, because that's something that can certainly happen, you can certainly wet it and then just scrunch it up some, and then take the net that comes with it, wrap it around it, and store it that way. Whether it's hanging, but just keep that net around it so the weight of the hair is not pulled and you don't end up with a straight wig. If you prefer less curls, just hang it up just the way it is. If you hang it upside down, you're going to get more volume. You're going to get more poof. So that's all depends on your preference on how you like to wear your wigs. I personally like it like this. I don't like a lot of curls. I don't care for a lot of poof. That's just me. There's no right or wrong here. It's just a matter of preference. So as I said, the sides are 12 inches and the back is 19 inches. I'm just going to jump in real quick and just make a mention that Rosella is higher density than any of my other Belle Tress. I don't know why I hadn't gotten Rosella before. I don't understand. I don't understand. We could do so much with this piece, so much. With a headband, pull some hair out. Very easy like that. Pull some back. Let me show you the ear tabs. Come down really, really low here. Very good coverage. So just a little bit of my hairline is showing. And a gorgeous lace front. Absolutely gorgeous. I personally like it really messy. Oh yeah, I love this. This is right up my alley. And I love brown sugar sweet cream. Gorgeous, gorgeous color, gorgeous style. Beautiful. I love it. All right, I hope that this has been helpful to those of you that have just received Rosella. Some of the things that you can do: scrunch it if you want some more curls. You could even add some rods to it if you want it a little curlier. Just the rods, and leave it like that overnight. You can get those rods on Amazon. And if you like it straighter, well, you can certainly straighten it with a flat iron, because this has HD fibers. Thank you all so much. I appreciate you spending this time with me. I hope everyone is having a fantastic day, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.